Hello, children. This is Teacher Margaret, and today we're going to review Telling the Time. Okay, so now I will use this web page so we can learn how to tell the time, and we learn a little bit about the clock. So this is an analog clock. This is an analog clock, and you have number from 1 to 12. And those numbers tell us the hour. Those numbers tell us the hour. And we have here on this one, we have two hands. We have the hour hand, which is smaller, and we have the minute hand, which is bigger. The minute hand. So now let's learn some things from telling the time. The hour hand, which is the smaller one, goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we have 12 hours. Remember, one day has 24 hours. And if you check here, 24 hours we have in one day. So we need to repeat this process again 2 times so we can have one day. 12 hours and 12 hours is equal 24 hours. Thank you for paying attention. Now we have the minute hand, this one right here. With that hand, we tell the minutes. For example, right now, and you can see it here in numbers, it's 12:07. It's 12:07. So now, let's see, how do we know what time is it? How do we know? Simple, you need to see where the hour hand is, and right now it is near number 12. Even if the minute hand keeps walking and walking and walking, or going all the way, it is still in the 12, because if you see here that circle, this hour hand walks all the way so it can be near or close to the next hour. When the minutes is walking around to complete 1 hour cycle, then the hour hand is also moving to get close to the next hour. So if I do this, then I go to the next hour. You see, now it's 1. And that process goes over and over and over and over. It repeats over again. The hour stays in number 1 and number 1 and number 1 until it gets here. The minutes hand gets here, and then it goes to the next hour. So now, how is this process completed? How do you get an hour? Well, you get an hour because this minutes hand needs to go around, and we need 60 seconds for that. If you see the numbers up here, you will find out that even though the hours are here, which are the biggest numbers, so we need 60 minutes so we can have 1 hour. We need 60 minutes to have 1 hour. Or we can say 60 minutes are equal an hour. 60 minutes are equal an hour. So let's see, how do we have 60 minutes here? Well, we can do it in 2 different ways. We can do it counting 1 by 1. So let's see if we can do that. 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Very good. So I noticed that maybe some of you already realized that we can also count by 5. You are very smart. Yes, you can count by 5 and it's a lot simpler. So we can do this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Thank you. If you looked at the clock, you could see that you have like the distance between each number is about 5 minutes, is about 5 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the reason why we can count by 5. And it's a lot easier for us to count by 5. So when the minute clock goes all around the clock and completes its cycle, we say that it is an hour. So now, when the minute hand is in the number 12, we say o'clock. Repeat with me. O'clock. O'clock. Thank you. Yes, for example, what time is it? What time is it? It's 3 because we see the hour hand and we say the hour first. So it's 3 and then I see my minute hand and it's in the number 12, which if you see up there is 00 and look at here in number 300. We say it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. So let's see, let's change another number to see if you can tell us what time is it. Let's see. What time is it? Great job. It's 1 o'clock. And we continue, that process repeats all over again. It's 2 o'clock. We can say 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. The hour hand needs to be moving around the big number, and then whenever the minutes hand is in the number 12, we say o'clock. Now, what about when the minute hand is in number 6? The minute hand, the hour is this one. How do we say it? Very simple. We say, for example, in this case, it's 2 because this hour hand is between the two numbers here, between the number 2 and number 3, but it's now leaving number 2, but it hasn't arrived to number 3 yet. So we say it's 2:30, 2:30, 2:30. Great job. It's 2:30. Now we say here, number 6 for the minutes will be 30. For example now, what time is it right now? Great job. It's 3:30. It's 3:30. Great job. So now, what time would be here? Great job. Is 3, and then we count 5 by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So it's 3 is here still. It's not in number 4. Don't get confused. It's not in number 4. It's still in number 3 here, in the near number 3. I mean, in the interval of number 3. So it's 3:50. So what time is it now? Oh, it's a little difficult now. Well, we say it's 3 and we count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, and 57. So it's 3:57. Great job, guys. So next time, in our next lesson, we are going to learn how to tell the time, telling half past or 2, etc., or etc. So see you next time, and I hope you understood a little bit more about the clock, specifically the analog clock. So see you next time. Bye bye.